In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or remove the For You section in OneDrive. This process is straightforward and should take you about 5 minutes to complete, so let's dive right in. First, we need to start by logging in to your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure to enter the correct email and password associated with your Microsoft account to gain access. Once you're logged in, look for the Apps Launcher, which is typically represented by a grid icon in the upper corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will display a menu with various Microsoft services and applications. From this menu, you'll need to locate and select OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and this is where we'll be making the necessary adjustments. With OneDrive open in your browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the gear icon. This icon represents settings. Click on it to bring up the settings options available for your OneDrive account. After the drop-down menu appears, look for the option labelled Options and give it a click. This will take you to a new page filled with various settings that you can modify. On the Options page, find and click on the Photos tab. This section includes settings related to how media files, particularly photos, are managed in your OneDrive account. It's a crucial part of customizing the way your OneDrive displays and manages content. Next, we'll need to navigate to the For You section, which is available under the Home category within your OneDrive options. This section is designed to provide personalized content and recommendations, but if it's not something you need or want, it can be hidden. After you've found the For You section, you should see an option labeled Hide for Now. Clicking on Hide for Now will temporarily remove the For You section from your OneDrive interface. You'll no longer see the personalized content and recommendations provided by this feature. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled or removed the For You section in OneDrive. Remember, if you ever decide you want it back, you can reverse these steps and bring it up again from your settings. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.